It was a BW5 walk, a Bravo Whiskey 5 walk. Looking for items, insights that start with the letter B and W, and looking for patterns of 5.
Walking with awareness. Awareness from trees and forests. With words, shapes, and diagrams, write a 30 to 50 word story poem. Just let it flow. Let it come to the surface. Let your pen scratch across the paper. Doodle away, sketch, enjoy the process. Then speak the poem, share the poem. Let the poem be with the planet. And if you're up for an additional challenge, include a new word that you have learned about nature and your interaction with nature, trees, and forests.
The beaver dam is now making its way to the road. The actual building is coming to the road. Building the beaver dam with the blackbird singing. And so far, I figured out the way of the willow and water. As to the pattern of 5, I thought about the 5 waypoints of being with nature as muse, metaphor, self-care companion, living systems educator, and inspiration for every breath. Another way that I looked at 5 was the 5 senses. And then I found myself coming to a point where 5 paths came together. The path that I was on, and then 4 others that branched off. So I had 5 choices, of which I made a decision to go right along the ridge. As a result of the walk, I wrote a poem, Building a Beaver Dam with the Blackbirds Singing.
Walking the road, the beaver dam encroaches, edging closer to the side of the road. In the willow trees, the mud and piled sticks, slowing, backfilling the land with creek water, running to the river. A house for a beaver family, a concern for those who travel and maintain the road. Whose will make the end of day? As the chorus of blackbirds singing in the willows and alders and quaking aspens, chirping their contributions, more so the awareness of my presence in warning to others, including the beaver, all awaiting, does he stay, does he go? With a flick on the screen, the device powers down. Legs, feet carry me forward to somewhere else where I meet with nature abounding along the path, up the hill, deeper still into the forest, the songs quieting behind me, the creek water touching where the trees touch during a flood. Today, it's a beaver touch whose work is serenaded with the blackbirds singing.
I took a prompt that I created and I gave it over to AI to see what it would create. And I've included it here as well. So you have both versions of the poem.
I suggest you pause and read the poem. Over to Canva AI to create 3 images for the poem. If there's connections you want to make with this video, use the comment section below and subscribe. That'd be wonderful. But more important would be is to watch more videos